Well, a petition filed at the Kenyan Supreme Court seeking to have tomorrow's elections cancelled has flopped following a quorum hitch at the court. The elections will now proceed as scheduled. Only the Chief Justice David Maraga and one other judge were willing to hear the case when the court prepared to sit for this hearing. The Kenyan law requires that 5 judges sit for the Supreme Court to properly be constituted. On the eve of the hearing, the driver of the Deputy Chief Philomena Mwilu was shot and seriously injured. Mwilu was among those who were not in court.
All was set for the hearing of the petition filed by 3 human rights activists seeking to stop Thursday's elections. But when the time came, only Chief Justice David Maraga entered the Supreme Court.
Regrettably, and with due apologies to all the parties, this matter cannot proceed to hearing this morning as earlier scheduled. Justice Lenaola and I, as the only judges present, as the 2 of us cannot form a quorum under Article 163(2) of the Constitution, this matter cannot therefore be heard this morning. It's accordingly adjourned.
It appears there's nothing that we can do at the moment. We have to go and think about and find out what we can do. But I'm shocked. In my 50 years, such a thing has never happened.
That matter had been preceded by a ruling by the High Court, which ruled that the National Constituency returning officers already in place to run Thursday's elections were chosen illegally, and so they do not have the power to carry out the elections on Thursday. It now remains to be seen what happens on Thursday. The Electoral Commission says it is ready to hold elections across the country, but it is clear that the National Super Alliance supporters will be staying back.
As far as the opposition is concerned, there is no election tomorrow.
Will you be having protests?
No, there is no election tomorrow as far as we are concerned.
So which way, Kenya? Sarah Kimani, SABC at the Supreme Court in Nairobi.